Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tayo ay magtitiklop ngayon. Let's fold my clothes for today's picture. If you are new to my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe me so ano ba yun? Ano bang English nun? Itagalog ka na lang para ma-update kapag magla-live ako. This is my clothes, medium. And this is my sleepwear, guys. I fold it like this only. Ayan, para makita nyo ano yung tinatapi ko, guys. This time 3:47 p.m. is our rest time. So our work for today is finished. And we already ate our lunch. Yeah, like this only. I fold my clothes like this only. I didn't take an iron. My God, tama ba yung English ko, guys? My English is 1% only. I don't know how to speak English, guys. Just little only. My clothes. So we fold our uniform. This is our uniform. See? This is our uniform. It's big. So we will see. Everyone you tell me why there's sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget it. There is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, feeling so strong. When I left before so long, and I'm not the man your heart is easy. That's why I know. Now it's finished. Now we will put in my cabinet. Look. My cabinet, guys. Yeah. Nakita yung panty ko doon. Kita yung panty ko doon. Yeah. Here. This is our cabinet. I only put like this. Yeah. I finished to put my clothes. My cabinet, guys. And a by Versace, an electric fan, a trash can, and a bed, and me, and me, and also me. So I'm bored, guys. I want to live, but I don't have time. So I'm gonna do now. Nothing. Just I want to took a video to myself. Oh my god, my English is so. This is my problem, my English, guys. Baby, won't you tell me why there's sadness in your eyes? I don't want to say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget it, but there's something left in my head. I won't forget the way your kisses feeling so strong when I lost before so long. Ano ba, guys ang gagawin natin? Matutulog na lang ako, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I have so much pimples. See? I have so much pimples, guys. Heart. Thank you for watching, guys.